Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is personal and contextual factors affecting teacher development. Let us try to understand factors affecting teacher development. Teacher development is influenced by a combination of personal and contextual factors that shape an educator's professional growth and effectiveness. Understanding these factors is crucial for designing effective professional development programs. Here, we explore both personal and contextual factors affecting teacher development. Personal factors. 1. Educational background. The teacher's academic background, including the degree obtained, subject specialization, and additional qualifications, can influence their approach to teaching and professional development. 2. Teaching experience. The number of years a teacher has spent in the classroom affects their level of expertise, confidence, and ability to adapt to new teaching methods. 3. Motivation and attitude. A teacher's intrinsic motivation and positive attitude toward professional development impact their willingness to engage in learning opportunities and implement new strategies in the classroom. 4. Beliefs and values. Personal beliefs about education, teaching, and the role of teachers can shape a teacher's approach to professional development and instructional practices. 5. Cognitive abilities. A teacher's cognitive abilities, including critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, influence their capacity to understand and apply new teaching methodologies. 6. Learning style. Teachers have different learning styles, and understanding one's preferred style can impact the effectiveness of professional development. Some may benefit more from hands-on experiences, while others may prefer theoretical discussions. 7. Self-efficacy. Teacher self-efficacy, or the belief in one's ability to achieve desired outcomes, plays a significant role. Teachers with high self-efficacy are more likely to embrace challenges and engage in continuous professional development. 8. Personal interests and hobbies. Individual interests and hobbies outside of teaching can impact a teacher's approach to incorporating varied activities and real-world examples into their lessons. Now let me discuss contextual factors. 1. School culture and leadership. The culture of the school and the leadership style of administrators significantly influence teacher development. A positive and supportive school culture encourages teachers to engage in professional growth. 2. Professional learning communities, PLCs. The presence of collaborative professional learning communities within a school provides teachers with opportunities to share ideas, resources, and best practices, fostering ongoing development. 3. Resource availability. Access to resources, including technology, teaching materials, and professional development opportunities, plays a crucial role in shaping a teacher's ability to implement innovative practices. 4. Policy environment. Government policies and educational regulations impact teacher development. Policies that support and prioritize professional growth contribute to a culture of continuous improvement. 5. Student demographics. The characteristics of the student population, such as socioeconomic background, cultural diversity, and learning needs, influence the professional development needs of teachers. 6. Parental involvement. The level of parental involvement and support can affect a teacher's approach to communication, collaboration, and the development of strategies to engage parents in the educational process. 7. Professional development opportunities. The availability and nature of professional development opportunities, including workshops, conferences, and training programs, directly impact a teacher's exposure to new ideas and practices. 8. Assessment practices. The assessment and evaluation methods used within the school influence how teachers perceive and approach their professional development. An emphasis on formative assessment and feedback can encourage reflective practice. 9. Community and societal influences. The broader community and societal values, expectations, and challenges can affect the priorities and focus areas for teacher development. 10. Technology integration. The extent to which technology is integrated into the teaching and learning environment can influence a teacher's digital literacy and their ability to leverage technology for professional growth. Understanding the interplay between these personal and contextual factors is essential for creating tailored and effective teacher development programs. Recognizing the unique needs and strengths of individual teachers within the broader context of the school and education system contributes to a more holistic approach to professional growth. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.